What is going on, kid family? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be comparing the old Harbor Freight gun to the newer Harbor Freight gun model. And we're going to see the difference in spray pattern and how big of a difference the new gun makes. So keep watching, guys. Alright, so I've been using this Harbor Freight gun for some Rust-Oleum paint jobs and whatnot, and I made a video comparing the new one and the old one specifically, so go check it out. The main differences, I'll sum it up, is the air cap right here. This one only has one air horn and two nozzles on each side of the actual fluid tip, compared to this one, which has two air horns and it has 5 air nozzles on each side of the fluid tip. So those differences themselves will make a big impact. So what I'm gonna do, I got water in the cup right now. We're gonna spray water, so we're not trying to clean these guns out after this short experiment, but we're running about 35 pounds and we're just gonna spray one pass here. With this gun, we'll swap out the whole setup with the air regulator onto this gun. We'll spray another one here. And unfortunately, because it's hot, the water's going to dry out. But we'll take some pictures before and after so you guys can compare. We'll be running these guns fan all the way open and fluid all the way open, so the results are compatible. And you guys will be able to judge by yourself the Harbor Freight purple gun. Same gun pretty much, same amount of money. Two different series of guns and huge differences in spray patterns, so make sure you guys keep watching. Just to stay consistent, we're shooting from around 6 inches. Ready? I'll leave it on for about 3 seconds so it gets nice and wet. There you guys can see the pattern. It's a pretty good pattern. Here you get a little bit of divergence right here, but overall that is massive. Massive, guys. I mean, I'm just gonna try to compare right now. Look at that. I mean, this is wide open. Alright guys, before it dries up, we got about 13 inches wide fan pattern. So let's swap everything into the old gun and check the difference. Alright guys, we got the old setup hooked up, same PSI, fan pattern wide open, fluid tip wide open. We're just gonna go about the same distance right here. 3 seconds. Let's check the difference. That one gave us roughly 9 inches, and that was maxed out, guys. So that's a big difference. We got 4 inches of more fluid on this gun right here. All right, guys, so as you can see from the right and from the left, the old gun sprays a little bit worse. It's not as wide. So when you're spraying bigger projects, the pattern on the left is going to be much better and beneficial to you. Keep in mind, guys, this pattern is big now because I'm just spraying water, and water is very viscous and easy to spray out. The thicker the paint, the thicker the clear coat, this is going to greatly reduce in size, and same thing with the gun on the left. So best case scenario, this is going to be about 6 inches, and then this one might reduce to, let's say, even 10 inches, which still, I'll take the 10 inch any day over that. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Comment down below your thoughts and opinions, and if you sprayed with either gun. And you know, clearly these air cap designs and nozzle designs make a difference in the spray pattern. I'm aiming towards this gun now. I'm gonna probably retire the gun on the left here since this has a better painting pattern. I'll probably do another restoration of headlights. I'm trying to restore the Civic's headlights with 2K clear using the Harbor Freight spray gun, so I'm hoping I get a better result with this gun right here. Anyway guys, I'll catch y'all on the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own.